This is Curaçao. I'm going to do a voiceover so you can see or hear where I am flying at certain period in this clip. I took off from the cruise terminal. A cruise ship just left the terminal, so I decided to get close to the cruise ship. I encountered some strong wind, so I decided to head back because I didn't want it to risk losing the drone. This is Curaçao from the air. Beautiful. This is the cruise terminal. A lot of cruise ships are docking here when there is high season. And it is what it looks like from the air. There is a swimming pool. I don't know the name. And this is a baseball stadium. A lot of parking space. Coming up at Renaissance Resort. I love this concept. Swimming pool next to the beach. This is called Reef Fort. And on your right you can see a floating bridge. It's called Koningin Emmabrug. If you watch closely, you can see a high bridge coming up. The name is Juliana Bridge. I think it's called after the Queen of the Netherlands. On the left side of the screen you have Punda, and on the right side is Otrobanda. This part where I'm flying now, it's mostly known as a shopping area. Yeah, the street around here, it's a shopping street where you have a lot of places to buy different type of things. Getting close to the Renaissance Resort again. The baseball stadium. And the cruise ship leaving in the distance. Beautiful sight. Coming up your right side, this is a park. It's called Maxorga Park, where anyone could visit. You can walk or run here. It's quite a long park, and it's built over water. As you could see, it's very long, and walking there might take some time, but it's very beautiful to see the concept. I love the concept. Nice place to fly. Beautiful blue water in the distance. I hope you enjoy this video clip from Curaçao, Willemstad. On the right, the cruise terminal. Thanks for watching. Comment if you want to know anything about this video clip. Bye and take care.